Hi, Andrea. Your parents came to us to prepare lasting powers of attorney for them. Can you explain why they felt they wanted to put them in place?
Yeah, absolutely. My mum was diagnosed with dementia when she was 70, so it was really important for both my parents, because my mum still had capacity at that stage, to ensure that someone could look after their affairs for them, really.
So in what ways did you find the powers of attorney useful for both you and your parents?
I think they were really useful when my mum went into a care home. It meant that both my dad and I could make all the decisions for her on her behalf. But I think the most critical thing when we did that, or when they did the powers of attorney, my dad was in perfectly good health and he remained with capacity right until the day he passed away. But one of the key things was he got macular degeneration, so he couldn't actually see, to write checks, to do any paperwork, really, which, you know, we never thought about when we were doing those powers of attorney in the first place. But without them, then it would have been really difficult.
So what specific decisions were you able to make for them under the powers of attorney?
With the health and welfare one, I was able to go to see my mum's doctor, make decisions on her behalf, because she was in a care home in the end. There were different assessments that were taking place with medical practitioners. So again, I could listen to them, be informed, and then make decisions on her behalf. I think in the end, my dad did pass away before my mum, so it was crucial that then I could deal with all the financial affairs. I dealt with all the sale of the house, investments, absolutely everything. And without those powers of attorney, I'd have been absolutely stuck. I saw what some of the families of people in the care homes went through when they didn't have powers of attorney in place, and they were literally stuck for over a year, unable to make any decisions or do anything. So I couldn't advise someone enough to actually get them in place for their family.